Hello everyone, Cassandra Good coming to you live from my home office here in Albany, Georgia. And ladies and gentlemen, today I want to tell you just a little bit about how Livegood, how you can actually use Livegood as your recession crusher. Your recession crusher. As all of you all know, or maybe many of you don't know, right now our recession and our unemployment has been at 3.3, 3.4%. But it is poised to position itself by the end of this year, the end of 2023, by December, it is poised to position itself at over 4%. Now, that might not sound like a huge number, but I'm telling you, it is a number that's going to affect a lot of people. Why? We have a lot of people that have actually gone back home to stay with their parents, elderly parents. You got more people bringing their grandchildren in with their children. So much is happening right now simply because of inflation, simply because of just the unemployment status right now. People are not able to find the jobs that they need to sustain the living that they need, not to sustain the living that they want, but to sustain the living that they need. This is why it is so important to take a second look, if not a first look. If you haven't looked at Livegood yet, you definitely want to look at it because this is where the price point matters. When we're at an all time mindset of understanding that banks are closing, seeing banks close, seeing a transition of wealth happening amongst families, seeing even superstars climb over to network cable television. I don't know if you're paying attention to this or not, but you got more and more of them coming over to what? Regular cable TV, because the big screen, guess what? That industry is dwindling and dwindling. So you have more of them even coming over to network television, cable network, Lifetime, Bravo, TNT, and so many other brands. You know what I'm saying? So if you got the big wigs that are watching their purses a little bit tighter, guess what you should be doing? You should be looking and making sure that your purse is where it needs to be. So when this recession does settle, when it settles, if it settles, that you're not impacted in such a way that you won't be able to recoup. So find yourself a position and live good. Make sure for just $40 to become an affiliate, and then $9.95 per month. That allows you to share and then also earn. You're not tied into hefty, when I say hefty, hefty auto ships every single month, squeezing that dollar out to make a volume or team volume just to make a little check that honestly it costs more for the ink and the paper itself. So be mindful, understanding that positioning yourself in Live Good right now is an awesome time to do it. And work with our team. We have the tools, we have the sales funnels, we have everything that you actually can take this to the moon and so much more. So definitely click the link below, ladies and gentlemen. Get ready to explode your life with using Live Good as the catalyst to do it. Simple, simple, simple. So thank you so much for coming on here today. It's a beautiful day outside. It's a beautiful Friday. I wish you all the best. And I am definitely looking forward to you living good with being a member of Live Good. Y'all have a good one. Hit that subscribe button. Love to have you on here. Click that link below. Love to have you on the team. And definitely hit the notification button. You know why? Because when I upload a video, I don't want you to miss it. Have a good one, and God bless.